Event contracts versus binary options. What's the difference? Welcome back to the FXNN channel. Today, we are going deep on a question we hear all the time. Are event contracts just binary options? It's a fair question. After all, both ask a simple yes or no outcome. But here's the truth, they are not the same, not even close. So in this video, we are going to break down how event contracts differ from traditional binary options in structure, in transparency, in safety, and in the way they are regulated. If you have ever been confused about the two or wondered why FXNN operates the way it does, this is your guide. Let's dive in. Similar surface, different code. Yes, at a glance, both event contracts and binary options are outcome-based. You are making a decision. Will this happen or not? Whether it's will BTC close above $70,000 or will Apple beat earnings? It's a directional bet, a yes or no. But the core difference is how these contracts are structured and, more importantly, how they are regulated. Binary options are often opaque. They can be unregulated. They are notorious for being offered on offshore platforms with limited transparency and questionable practices. Even contracts, especially on FXNN, are regulated, transparent, and built to protect traders. Transparency, FXNN's clear advantage. One of the biggest problems with traditional binary options is lack of visibility. You don't always know how the price is calculated. You can't see the other side of the market, and sometimes the platform itself is the counterparty, which means they profit when you lose. Not here. FXNN event contracts are exchange style. That means you are trading against other traders, not against the house. Prices are visible. Order books are clean. Every price you see reflects real-time sentiment, and your trade settles fairly with no behind-the-scenes manipulation. You see the question, you see the odds, you see what you risk and what you stand to gain. It's transparent from the start to finish. Regulation, why it matters. Here's where the gap really widens. Many binary options platforms operate in legal gray zones. They are based offshore, not subject to investor protection laws, and some have even been shut down for fraud. FXNN, on the other hand, is regulated in multiple jurisdictions, including the US, Canada, Australia, and St. Lucia. That means user funds are handled securely. Payouts are automatic and guaranteed. Trading rules are enforced fairly. You are not just protected by trust, you are protected by law. If you care about safety and legitimacy, this one's a deal breaker. Payout structures, clean and fair. Let's talk numbers. Traditional binary options usually offer fixed payouts, often 70% to 90% if you are right. But here's the catch. If you lose 100% of your trade. So the odds are skewed against you, even if you win more often than you lose. FXNN event contracts flip that. You can enter a contract at any price starting from $5. If you buy at $40, you risk $40. If you are right, you receive $100, a $60 gain. The closer the price is to $100, the higher the market confidence. The lower the price, the riskier the trade, but the bigger your upside. You control the price you pay, you see it in real time, and you are never risking more than you commit. That's a one-to-one risk structure. No hidden fees, no payout gimmicks. Just clean, controlled trading. Market sentiment in action. Another key difference. FXNN shows you how other traders are thinking. When you open a contract, you can immediately see the price, and that price reflects the market's probability of the event happening. For example, if will ETH close above $3,500 today is priced at $68, the market thinks there is a 68% chance that outcome will happen. That's live crowd sentiment updating by the second. It gives you an edge. Traditional binary options don't give you that kind of insight because you are not trading in a real market. On FXNN, the market talks to you in real time, real use cases and safety nets. FXNN event contracts are designed for strategic use, not emotional bets. You can use macroeconomic data to plan trades, create risk-controlled setups for big news days, trade earnings, events, inflation reports, crypto milestones, all with built-in caps. And here's something you don't get with binary options. FXNN gives you fixed risk, no margin calls, no forced liquidations, no leverage traps. You decide your exposure before you trade. You know your max loss the moment you enter. It's smart risk, clear risk, and risk you can manage. The verdict. So, are event contracts just binary options? No, they are everything binary options try to be, but better, smarter, and safer. Transparent pricing, real market sentiment, regulated environments, fair payouts, strategic setups, clean, user-first design. FXNN event contracts are for traders who want control, clarity, and confidence, not just a coin flip with a shiny interface. Wrap up. If you have ever been burned by offshore binary platforms, or if you have been skeptical about outcome-based trading, it's time to rethink what's possible. FXNN is changing the game with a regulated trader-focused platform that puts you in control. So, next time someone asks you, is this just a binary option? You will know exactly what to say. This is smarter. This is safer. This is event trading the FXNN way. See you in the next one.